The Student Career Guide AI helps students discover their dream careers. Imagine a career that perfectly matches your interests, personality, work environment preferences, and abilities. With the right guidance, it's possible. To help you, we've designed a fun and insightful career quiz. It includes 33 smart questions that are not only engaging, but also give you a clear picture of your ideal career path. Inspired by proven career models like Myers-Briggs, Holland Code, Raya-Sec, Big 5 personality traits, students receive personalized subject recommendations aligned with their school's curriculum, ensuring they choose the right academic path. Beyond the classroom, it identifies the perfect mix of extracurricular activities and sports that build relevant skills for their chosen careers. For students, this means making confident, informed decisions about their future.